today I'm gonna be making akara for breakfast. Yeah, I want to buy pepper. How much is pepper? Okay, ma. Thank you, ma. Guys, this is what we have: akara and pap. How is the food?
That's so good.
Guys, good morning and welcome back to another beautiful vlog. So it's Tuesday morning and today I'm gonna be making akara for breakfast. Yeah, so I'm going to be taking you guys through the process. Yeah, so right now I just soaked the beans. It's in the kitchen. Look at the kitchen entrance. It's in the kitchen. I just soaked the beans and I just realized that there is no pepper, so I'll be stepping out soon to go and get pepper. You know, it's a new environment. I just pray I see sellers of pepper. I see pepper sellers outside. And for the akara, the way my mom used to do it is like, guys, if you guys taste my mommy akara, bro, you're gonna fall in love. So her secret recipe is just only onions and fresh pepper, salt, that's all. So every other thing is in the house. We have onions excess, we have salt excess, so I'll just only be needing fresh pepper, and that's what we're going to go and be getting. So come with me as I prepare akara. Don't play. So guys, let's get going. The beans, so let me show you guys the beans, then I'll just go outside now to go and get the pepper to use and blend it in the house. Bye guys, I'll see you. So this is the beans here. I soaked it for like over 30 minutes now, so I'm just waiting for it to get soft. I think it's soft already, and my baby girl is going to be helping me to peel it off while I go get the pepper and get every other thing. Yes, good morning, ma. I want to buy pepper. How much is pepper? Okay, you even have mix sef. Do you take transfer? So that 3 crowns, how much?
3 crowns.
Hey, that's why it don't cost fish. What about jollof milk, jig, abi pig? Oh yeah, now give me the pig instead. Okay, ma. Thank you, ma. So guys, I just got back from buying some of the things, and this is what we have. I think it's looking much more better now. This is the shaft from the beans, the shaft being removed. Yeah, so I think it's remaining small. This beans is too much. Oh, the beans is too much. It's like I'll remove small from my mind.
No, remove everything.
So this is it. I have my washed beans, then I have my pepper. So this is the amount of pepper that I'll be using, and onions. Do not be stingy with the onions, because I think onions gives this beautiful flavor to akara. So right now I'm going to be transferring all these to the blender, and I'll be blending it smooth, but not smooth for moi own, because you all know that moi blending and akara blending shouldn't be the same. Okay, I'm not a chef. That's what I was being taught by my mommy. So let's get the stuff into here. Okay, so this is what I have here. I've put everything inside, so I just need to add small amount of water in order for it to be able to blend well. And this is what we have.
think so.
Check it out. Use this spoon to check it. So I've already added salt. But like the salt taste is not out. Let me add a little. So this aspect you have to try your best to make sure that it's not too salty. I believe this. Okay. It tastes pretty cool. So I think I'm done right now. Let me go and heat up the pan. So let's go into my oil. So this is the pap that I'll be using for the akara. No, record me now. And say hello. Say hi to the camera. Hi. The mommy is frying akara. The old one somehow cold. Fire. Good mama. Take. Cut, fire. So guys, this is what we have here. This is the akara. It's very delicious. I cannot just wait to serve it. My husband to like actually rate it. Like it's literally the most delicious akara you will ever come across. So I think this quantity is okay. And I think I'll have to be putting, let me turn up yet. I think I'll have to be putting this one in the fridge. Maybe I could fry it for snacks, or maybe tomorrow or when next. Just have to store it in here. Keep it in the fridge. So we are done for today frying. And this one can be fried any other time. So this is a very quick breakfast that you can do. You can do for your family, for your kids. My son literally loves it so much. I didn't even know that he's going to actually like it this way. Yeah. So heading over to the fridge, and this is the pap. Sorry, don't mind the way everywhere is messed up. We'll do clean up when we are done. Yeah. So the hot water is on fire, and once it's ready, we make the pap. So let's quickly do a small cleanup while the hot water is getting ready, and we'll take this to the fridge. Look of the akara. It's giving everything it should give. Oh, well, do you like it? Is it sweet? Yeah, mommy made akara for us. So nice, so beautiful. Of that too. And this is what we have. This is where we guys, this is where we have Akara and Pap. Made with love. And here comes the food. Yeah, it's looking really, really pretty. Guys, camera is not doing justice. Say hello. This is the food, and go and call the husband man. Welcome my baby. Oh well, come and say hi. See, he's eating his own. Hi. Do you love the akara? You love it? You love the akara. How is the food?
That's so good.
Baby, how is the food? How is the food, babe?
Nice. Oh, no,
Oh, well.
no, no, no.